Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and we eat a lot of pizza in this household, and that's why I gotta show you this pizza cutter by Zulay Kitchen. You're really gonna enjoy it because this cuts your pizza so easily, so smoothly, and you're able to lift your slice without losing half of your toppings on your pizza tray. I hate when that happens. I really enjoy this slicer because it is so much easier to slice your pizza with this than with scissors or maybe a dull pizza cutter. I also really like that it is stainless steel, so it's not going to rust, so you can keep this for a long time. In fact, this has a lifetime guarantee on it. That's how amazing this pizza slicer is. It has a rubber texture on the handle, and it also has a curved handle, so maybe you have some pizza slicers in your family that are a little bit shorter. They can slice right through that pizza with ease because of the handle. It has a guard on it because this slicer is sharp. It has a very thin wheel, and that's how it cuts so easily through these pizzas. I love that I can just put this on the top rack of the dishwasher and I can have it ready to go for my next pizza cutting party. And that's my point of view.